Hello traders, Adam Hansen here for ValorTrader.com, and today I just want to bring you a video to follow up to one I brought you a couple of months back about EA Studio, which is a program that you can access from within the ValorTrader website. And what it allows you to do is create your own expert advisors for MetaTrader 4, but without having to know a single line of code. So in this video, I just want to bring your attention to some expert advisors that I created a couple of months back within EA Studio. And what it is, there's 5 separate EAs, 4 that trade gold and 1 that trades silver. They all trade different time frames, and occasionally they will trade in the same direction, and occasionally they will hedge against each other, providing a bit of balance. Now, this is in no way a plug for these systems or the EAs that I've created. It's more just to bring to your attention the power of EA Studio and how easy it is to create expert advisors that can be profitable. So with these ones that I'm trading here, there's one gold EA that trades the 15-minute time frame, one that trades the 1 hour, one that trades the 4 hour, and also the daily time frame. And with the silver EA, it trades the 30-minute time frame. But collectively, they've been able to achieve a real return so far of 9.2% in about 8 weeks. So needless to say, I'm pretty happy with how these EAs are performing so far. But the good thing is, and the thing that I want to stress to you guys, is that all 5 of these expert advisors probably took around an hour, maybe an hour and a half to create within EA Studio, maybe even less. Once I had imported all my broker data within into EA Studio, it was then simply a matter of selecting the instrument that I wanted to create the system for, also selecting the time frame, and also which broker which broker's data I wanted to use when creating the systems. That was it. There are some other variables that you can choose, and I've actually created another video, the one I was referring to before, which goes through the sort of the ins and outs of EA Studio. But basically, I just want to show you that it doesn't take much to create profitable systems within EA Studio and then load them onto an account and actually have some profitable systems trading for you. Now, these particular ones, the only downside to the ones that I'm using here is that the risk associated with trading them is unquantifiable, meaning that they don't use traditional stop losses. So the entry and exit is determined purely by indicators. So there is no traditional stop loss there. So that's why I'm using quite small position sizes with each trade, and that position sizing is determined by the back test. So each expert advisor obviously had varying back test results, some having larger drawdowns than others over their test period. So the weighting in terms of lot sizing was allocated based on the risk associated with each one. So I'll just go through some of the stats here. So absolute gain of 9.2%, drawdown of 7.59%. If we scroll down, we've had 85 trades in total over the 2-month period that I've been trading them. The average win is a little over half that of the average loss. However, we are seeing an average win ratio of about 82-83%. Profit factor currently at 2.63, with an expected trade outcome of $11.57. Without going into too much more detail about the specifics of the actual EAs, I more just want to emphasize that these EAs were created within EA Studio, which you can access via the ValaTrader website. It took all of about an hour and a half to create, and I've been able to achieve some very, very good results thus far. So if we just head over to the ValaTrader website, so this is EA Studio within the ValaTrader website. When using this tool, you can import as much broker data as you want for as many different instruments. It doesn't matter what the instrument is. It could be corn, it could be cobalt, it doesn't really matter. If you've got the broker data for it, you can import that broker data into EA Studio. You can create as many expert advisors as you want on as many different instruments, on as many different time frames. The only limitation with the program is that if you wish to export the expert advisors to your MetaTrader platform, you will need to create an account. Now, the account comes in two different memberships. There is a yearly membership, which equates to 588 euros per year, or around 49 euros per month. Or there is also a monthly membership, which is 59 euros per month. So a bit of a saving there with the annual membership. The important thing to note with the annual membership is that it is billed annually. So 588 euros per year, which once again equates to around 49 euros per month. So that will enable you once again to import as much data as you like, create as many expert advisors as you like, and then export them, just as I have done, to any MetaTrader platform and begin trading them. They can be back tested within your MetaTrader platform as any other expert advisor you would normally back test. And the good thing is that the back test results, or the real trading results in my experience so far using EA Studio, the forward test results do match the back test results quite closely. And what's more, the results you will find within EA Studio also match the back test results once you get them over into your MetaTrader platform. So that's just about it for this video, guys. I hope you found this one helpful, and I hope you can see the power of EA Studio. I will leave a link to the actual EA Studio video that I created a couple of months back, just so that you can see the ins and outs of how it all works. And I just hope it sort of emphasized how powerful EA Studio is and how you can use it to create your own systems without knowing a single line of code. I do not know a single line of MQL4 or MQL5 code. And yet you can create the systems, export them, and begin trading them. So that's just about it for this one. If you've got any questions, please leave them below the video. I'll leave as before, I'll leave a link to the original video and also a link to directly to EA Studio so that you can check it out for yourself. If you've liked this video, please ensure to give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with any future video releases. So until the next video, guys, happy trading and bye for now.